The Padavangadi Mahaganapati temple situated at East Fort in Thiruvananthapuram. The main deity of the temple is Sri Mahaganapati. The main idol is installed in a seated posture with the right leg in a folded stance. The temple is situated in close proximity to the Sri Padmanabha Swami temple. Other deities worshipped at the temple include Dharmashastra, Goddess Durga and Nagaraja. The temple sculptures include 32 different forms of Lord Ganesha. The original idol was maintained by the Nair Brigade initially at Padmanabhapuram, and later when they were shifted to Thiruvananthapuram, they installed the idol and the current temple came into being. After the integration of the Travancore army with the Indian forces, the temple is being maintained by the Indian Army. The main Vazhivadu is the breaking of coconuts at the temple. Other offerings associated with Lord Ganesha like Ganapati Homam, Appam, Modagam, etc. are also performed here. Some of the major festivals celebrated at the temple are Vinayaka Chaturthi, Virat Chaturthi and Sankashti Chaturthi. The present Padavangadi Sri Mahaganapati temple at Thiruvananthapuram is closely associated with annals of the Travancore army. According to legend, one of the duty sentries of Travancore army found a very small idol of Lord Mahaganapati from the river bed of Valliyur river. Thereafter, the idol was kept in barracks of the soldiers at Padmanabhapuram and they started worshipping it. During the reign of Ramavarma, the capital of Travancore shifted from Padmanabhapuram to Thiruvananthapuram in 1795. A major portion of the army was also moved to Thiruvananthapuram. The idol of Lord Mahaganapati was also taken there, and with the generous help of the king, a small shrine was built in the magazine area located in the fort. Subsequently, while the Travancore army was integrated with Indian army, the Sri Mahaganapati temple also came under the management of the Madras regiment. This was earlier in the fort area and was later shifted to Pangod, where the garrison was established. The idol of Lord Shiva was later added to the temple. In the southwest of Pangod military garrison, there was an ancient idol of Lord Krishna. This was immersed in the sea in 1986 as it had some damages, and in the same year an idol of Lord Mahavishnu was added to the Hanuman Swami temple. In 1988, Lord Ganapati idol also was installed in the same temple. The temple is now being relocated within the Pangod military station. Sri Mahaganapati temple and Sri Hanuman Swami temple in Thiruvananthapuram are managed by the regimental center through an apex body, an advisory committee and Tiruvadira committee. The revenues from the temple are used for a large number of welfare activities. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha.